Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and today we've put together a fun video for Valentine's Day with some creative and unique gift ideas. Send some lovable hearts with our anthuriums. Ferns say, I'm so fond of you. Hello, handsome. You're always looking on point. You could always plant some lipstick on somebody. The ultimate Valentine's plant, the string of hearts. Send some love to your pals with the friendship plant and baby amigo rubber plant. Let Cupid's arrow fly with our arrowhead vine. Say, I love spending time with you, and we're meant to be. Show some love to your fur baby with our catgrass. You are unbelievable. Cacti say, baby, I'm stuck on you. From all of us here at Sipkens Nurseries, we hope your Valentine's Day is sweet and succulent.